Welcome to Food TV! Today we're going to be eating a watermelon. We're just going to be digging right into this juicy surprise.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Well, what I have to say about the watermelon is definitely very juicy. Very juicy melon. And I really like it. I give it a melon out of melon. Good luck.
Today we're going to be eating the great, enormous food called the pickle.
Alright, what do we got?
I actually want one. Wait on it.
Oh god, it smells awful.
Let's sit here and just eat a pickle. Everyone come here. Go grab a pickle. Oh yeah, here we go. These are some zesty pickles, I dare say. What do you guys think about the pickle? I think it's very succulent, very crunchy. It's got a crunchy pizzazz to it. You know? Oh boys, I'm getting a ring. Who's calling you? You're gonna edit this out, right? Oh, Mom? Oh, we'll be safe and smart.
Noah. No.
Hey, can somebody hit me up with some Mountain Dew?
Welcome to Food TV.
You. Just do it.
Okay. Ready? 3, 2.
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening.
Here, go. Come on, dogs, let's go.
You must hiss. You must hiss.
I know there's lots of good food over here, but... Come on, go. Peaches!
And pears.
Oh, wait. Oh, they're all pears, actually. Never mind. Okay. All right, so today we're out in nature, and we're gonna eat some delicious peaches, pears, some delicious pears. No, drink the juice. It's got multiple health benefits, like it helps cure cancer.
So it doesn't really work out.
You're not wrong.
Moist.
For good measure.
You guys are so wet right now.
Go, bucko.
There's dirt on the
This
edge
community
of the can.
pears. Community pears.
I can't.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Thanks for tuning in to this creamy cream episode of Food TV.